Hi Kerry, this is Steph from My Surgery app. I thought I'd do a little video for you to show you how exactly I would go about building this information page for your patients instead of doing it in an email. So you can save this video then and refer back to it at a different time. So I'll share my screen now to full screen. Okay, so you can see now that we're in Grange Road Surgery, we're in the app view. This is our test surgery, and on the second tab up here we've got our portal, which you would have access to, but this is for my test surgery, Grange Road Surgery. You will see Llan Health there, obviously. So I've got your Word document open regarding your what you want to communicate to patients. So I would build a page, and on the left-hand menu here, you can see pages. I've got none here at the moment, so I'm going to click on Add New Page, top right-hand corner, and the information you've sent over is COVID-19 booster update. So we'll give that a title there, and we'll also replicate that in the actual body of the page as well. Now, when I do this, I like to edit this and give it a title. So if you want to edit that, you can do this, and you can click on the formatting styles. When I like to do it, I like to give it heading 2. It looks a bit nicer. It's got an underline underneath the title as well. So we'll copy this over from the Welsh also, and put this in here, and do exactly the same for the Welsh. Give it a heading 2 title. Okay, so that's all good for the titles. Now we want to put the body of the text in there. So I'll copy and paste what you've sent over from the body of the email. So we copy the English over. That's done. And then we'll also copy the Welsh over. And because this is coming from a Word document, it may have some formatting issues, which we can see here. So we just need to close these gaps down and just delete the gaps really in the English and also the Welsh. Now, if you wanted to make this easy to edit, there's a button here which has got 4 arrows to each corner. That means you can maximize that page, which makes it a little bit easier then for you to edit. Okay, so we're going to stick on this now. Let's make that smaller again. Okay, so the English and the Welsh are both there, and you can save this now, and that's saved as a page. Okay, so again, we want to make the formatting a little bit better. Take the gaps out and put them into heading 2 again. Heading 2, okay, good. So the formatting is done. So I can see here you've got a telephone number. So at the moment, if you just left it as that, when the patient tries to click on that number, nothing will happen. But because most patients are using a smartphone, you want to enable them to when they press that button, for it to phone that number for them automatically. So to do that, just highlight it, copy the number, and at the top here we've got a link button. So it looks like a chain, not an anchor really, but it's called link. When you click on that, just paste in the telephone number, and instead of making it a HTTP, which is a website, we want to link it to a telephone number. So in the drop-down box, you can click on telephone, and that will tell the phone, right, it's a telephone number. If the patient clicks on it, it'll allow them to phone that number. You can see now it's got a lighter shade of green. I like to make that bold, so the patients can see that very clearly. There we are. That's a lot better there. So we're going to do that again in the Welsh version. So copy, go up to the link tab, paste the telephone number in, and drop down to say telephone number. That's now enabled as a telephone number, and click on bold. There we are. That's done. Okay. So down here you've also got a website. So I like to put a button in for websites. So we're going to copy this, but also delete it. So what you said to for more information on the Adding Bevan Booster Program, please visit, or we say please click below. We put the word in, visit the website. So we've got visit the website. So highlight that, and again go up to the link button, and now simply paste in the URL that you sent over. But now we want to, so that you can see now that's got a lighter shade of green. But if you highlight that and go to paragraph, or go to formatting again, see the first one that comes up now is block link. That becomes a button, and patients are far more likely to click on something if they see a button there. So again, we'll do the same now with the Welsh. We'll cut this. So I know as a Welsh speaker, it's ESOT. So but if you want help with that, I can help you with the Welsh translation. So we'll put in, visit the website. Okay, you can do this really, really easily, right? We'll copy that. We'll open a new tab here saying English to Welsh. So visit the website is here, Ewch i'r wefan. That's it. So we'll put in Ewch i'r wefan, paste. Those are the words, visit the website to Welsh. Okay, highlight that now. And then again, go to the link. And we've got the URL which you sent over to me. So paste in the URL there. And again, go to formatting and click in block link. And that's it. That's the page built. And that's what I would do if I were you. So you can copy this. Now, don't forget, you need to make it active. So it's not a template. So you want to make it page status as active and choose a position for it. So if you want patients to see this, then you can say, okay, well, I want this at the dashboard at the top. Dashboard at the top means it's going to come here. This is a dashboard, which is the home page. So you want to make it very visible for patients at the top here. So if we save that now, yeah, that's been saved. And we go back into pages. There it is. If you wanted to edit this at any time, you can go back in to edit it and change it. But if I go back into the app view now and refresh that, then there it is, COVID-19 booster update. So that's been built for you, and that's the English. There we go. When we click on that button, then the device will recognize as a telephone number and dial that number for them and visit the website. There we go. It takes the patient off then to the website or the web address that you gave us in that correspondence. Again, with the you say social media post, so you could send this out as a notification. So if you go to and tell patients all about this, we've got notifications down the bottom here and click on send. We can do a title again. So we're going to copy and paste what you've sent over from the Word document. So COVID-19 booster update. And this is the Welsh translation I'm pasting over. And we're going to put in the body of the social media. There we are, that's the English. And this is the Welsh coming over now. I'm copying and pasting this from the Word document, sorry. Now you want to send this to the page. So we've just built that page, haven't we? So you can link that to the page. And the only one we have is the COVID-19 booster update. So there we are, you've got the push notification, you've got the heading for the notification, you've got the body of the notification, and then you're linking it to the page that we've just built. And if you want to send that out to all users, click on send. So that's gone. It'll also go into your history down here. So there we are, history. Okay, that's fine. COVID-19 booster has gone to 8 devices. There you go. So if I go back now into my app, there we are. It's come through as a notification for all patients. And there you go. COVID-19 booster. If you're eligible, you'll be offered a booster at least 6 months after. That's it. And read more. And then that opens up the page that we just built also. And patients can click to book and they can visit the website. So that's what I would do if I were you. And hopefully this video has been informative for you. If you have any queries, just give me a ring, or you can save this video. It is available on our YouTube, so just refer back to it. But I hope this helps. If you need any more questions, any more help or any questions at all, just give me a ring. Okay, thank you.